In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change alarm sound on your Android smartphone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Clock app. The easiest way to do so is just swipe up to go to our apps library and then here search for Clock. That's how we can easily find the app, and now we need to open it up. And here first off, make sure that Alarm tab is selected at the bottom of the screen. Here, as you can see, I got a couple of alarms, and now if we want to change alarm sound for any of them, then first off we need to get into our alarm, and that's where we'll find alarm sound. It is enabled, and to change it we need to tap on it. Here you may find different options. On Samsung Galaxy phone we have Bixby Alarm, Spotify and Ringtone, which is selected now, and if we get in here we'll be able to choose different ringtone which is designed for the alarm, so we can choose any of them just like that. Also here, by dragging this slider, we can increase and reduce alarm volume level, and also we can activate here these options such as read time and alarm name allowed, and also gradually increase volume. If you would like to activate these options, you can easily enable or disable them. And also here, if you would like to, let's say, set a Spotify song as a ringtone, you can also tap at Spotify here, and on the next step just select a song you would like to use as a ringtone for your alarm. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.